This product has been on the market for 12 years, and there's 12 years worth of YouTube videos about this product. During those 12 years, a few important things that might upset you have changed, so we're going to go over those changes here in the year 2023, so when you purchase yours, you're not upset or misled by a video that you saw that was made 9 years ago. Let's jump in. As far as all the English-speaking videos on YouTube, there's only one guy who shows the box. Two guys show the box. Nobody shows what's in the box. And there's some confusion to what you get in the box. The most important part of this video is loading the magazine. As of today, there's only one video on YouTube that shows how the mag load assist actually works, and it's quite simple. People get angry like orangutans, yelling it doesn't work. It works fine. It's easy. If you're not aware, the Mossberg 702 Plinkster / Rossi RS22, two manufacturers that are slapping their name on the same rifle, shoots 22 long rifle. Not 22 long, not 22 mag, just 22 long rifle. And let's take a look at the paperwork first. Here are the directions for the bullet magazine assist. This is a very important part of the purchase, and it will make your life easier if you pay attention. Now, the thing that kind of scared me off of the 25 round mag is that it's simply the 10 round mag with the bottom cut off, slid into a slot that connects to something that looks like it came out of Vietnam. The 10 round mag is made of metal, and the 25 extension is made of plastic or a polymer, but I'm very happy the way it feels. Feels very solid in my hand. But I do have some very good tips on how to make sure that you don't have problems with the magazine, specifically getting more than 15 rounds in a 25 round mag. Now, here's the rifle's owner's guide, and we all know that instructions are for sissies and girls. So if you hear a YouTuber say that they received more than one magazine with their purchase, this item has been for sale for over 12 years, and that might have been the case before, but it's not now. All right, at first touch, it feels a lot more solid than I anticipated. And it only weighs in at 4 pounds, but it does feel solid. It is very well covered in that shipping oil that you need to wipe off and clean out before you shoot the rifle. The magazine goes in very easily, and many people complain about the ejection of the magazine, but their problem is that they're pushing the button incorrectly, and that is making it very difficult to remove. And at the end of the video, or near there, we'll go over that also. I ordered the 18-inch barrel. That is what I got, but I couldn't find the overall dimensions of the entire weapon, and that is 36 inches from end to end. The overall height of this rifle from the bottom of the magazine to the top of the sight is safely a little under 10 inches. Let's call it 10 inches. So you've got 36 long by 10 inches high. The polymer stock, it's a little bit shorter than I expected. I'm a pretty big guy. We'll find out tomorrow when I do my shooting video how it turns out. The trigger housing is plastic. The trigger is metal. The receiver is metal. And the barrel is metal. The rear adjustable sight is polymer. The front sight is polymer. The guard on the front sight is metal. And this is what your shot looks like when you line it up. And the buttstock is extremely cushy. Very, very cushy. Now let's see how many rounds we could fit in this 25 round magazine on the first try. Go! Picking up our 25 round magazine and the magazine assist loader, lining up that dimple with the magazine loader. As I seat the first bullet, you see those divots right there, and that's where I'm going to put the butt of the bullet in and push it just a little bit. Now, it won't go in all the way until I release the mag loader all the way. That's where most people on YouTube are having problems. You can get it in halfway with the magazine loader down, but you must push the magazine loader all the way up to seat the bullet fully into the magazine. Very easy and doesn't have much pressure involved. Of course, until you get to about round 15. At that point, press down on the word press. This will give you the leverage that you need to get the last few bullets in, and you can feel it moves like about 1/4 of an inch as if it's a button. Now, if you receive the 25 mag with your Rossi or Mossberg, there's your release button. But if you got the 10-round mag, that metal clip underneath, the correct way is to push it forward with your knuckle. Many, if not all of the YouTubers that have demonstrated removing the mag have moved to the business side of the gun, which is stupid and dangerous, and pulled that lever like a trigger. Again, you want to be on the butt side and push the button forward. Now, I am claiming to be the jerk who paid the most amount of money in the United States for one of these rifles, and you can get it much cheaper than I did. I purposely bought the Mossberg brand, and it was listed at $192. I paid $199. That's right. There was a 3.5% increase in inflation between the gun counter and the cash register. But you can get this for $110, $120 if you get the Rossi brand, which is exactly the same gun, made in exactly the same factory and exactly the same time. And that is CBC, a Brazil company. There is also Citadel, who makes the Trackr, which is exactly the same gun, and CBC has their version. I believe it's the 7022. So you can easily get this gun for $120, $130 if you shop around. I've seen videos that posted on YouTube in 2022 where the guy said he got it for 99 bucks or 109 out the door. And you won't find a video on YouTube that has anything bad to say about this rifle, with the exception of the couple of issues that we covered and corrected the false information here today. You shouldn't spend a lot of money on a prepping rifle, and this rifle has hundreds of people that agree that it is extremely accurate and extremely reliable and extremely affordable, and possibly the most affordable rifle on the market still 12 years later. Peace and love worldwide. Live your life before your life lives you. And if you made it to the end of this video, subscribe. Why? Because you can always unsubscribe later, but you'll never find me again, I guarantee it.